Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. Very frequently we are being bombarded with so-called superfoods and more often than not these superfoods are imported. But because of lack of marketing, we never come to know about the Indian foods that can actually match the nutrition value of these superfoods. Eating local and seasonal is always the right way to eat because local and seasonal foods are less likely to be treated with chemicals to increase their shelf life. Also, many vitamins and minerals might lost during the storage and transportation process. And also, local foods are always pocket friendly too. So if you are living in India, then here is how you can switch these expensive imported foods with the very simple local Indian alternatives and without compromising on the nutrition at all. So let's begin the video. First is we can very easily replace quinoa with amaranth. Quinoa is basically a seed from Peru and Bolivia that is in South America. Quinoa is very popular among the fitness seekers these days because of its high protein content and is gluten-free too. A great replacement for quinoa can be amaranth. Amaranth was actually originated in the West but is cultivated in Himalayan regions now. Amaranth can very easily replace quinoa because it is packed with high quality protein. Along with being packed with high quality protein, amaranth also contains iron, calcium and phosphorus. Along with all these nutrients, amaranth also contains lysine, which is an essential amino acid, and this amino acid is lacking in majority of the other cereals. So we can easily replace quinoa with amaranth without worrying about the nutrition. Second is we can very easily replace blueberries with jamun. Blueberries come from America and blueberries contain a wonder substance called resveratrol. Resveratrol is known to delay the aging process and it also keeps our blood vessels healthy. Resveratrol is usually found in blue to violet fruits. And we have jamun in India which can perfectly replace blueberries, giving us the same benefits, nutrients and antioxidants. Third is we can replace goji berries with amla or Indian gooseberry. Goji berries are also known as Chinese wolfberry. Goji berries have innumerable health benefits and they can be consumed either fresh or dried. Goji berries are very rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. In India, we have amla which can perfectly replace goji berries because amla is bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants. It also increases our immunity and it nourishes our skin and hair. So never underestimate the power of an Indian amla. Fourth is we can replace Brazil nuts with sunflower seeds. Brazil nuts from the Amazon region are a very good source of a trace mineral called selenium. They are also rich in antioxidants. The same benefits can be obtained from sunflower seeds which are quite easily available in India. Sunflower seeds are also a very good source of selenium and vitamin E. Selenium is also found in spinach, cabbage and broccoli. Fifth is we can replace asparagus with spinach. Asparagus offers substantial folate and folate is particularly important during the first few months of pregnancy. Asparagus also contains vitamin K which enhances the absorption of calcium by our bones. Then it also decreases the excretion of calcium in our urine. So it basically strengthens our bones. And our very own spinach is a parallel pick to meet our folate and vitamin K needs. Sixth is we can replace kiwi with guava. Chinese gooseberry or kiwi fruit was actually originated in China and then it is migrated to New Zealand and California for commercial cultivation. Kiwi is particularly rich in vitamin C. And equally enriching is our very own guava which has vitamin C, A and many more nutrients. We can also very easily replace the probiotics from kombucha with our buttermilk and healthy fats from avocado with the healthy fats from coconut. At last, the moral of the video is that It is very much possible to get all the nutrients we need with the foods that are locally present to us. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching.